Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Purereviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you find this particular video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button, maybe leave a comment. Those really help out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and there is a link in the description that will take you to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that fun information. But what is it? So it is a speaker system. You are getting 2 speakers and a bass. This is the box it is going to come in once you order it. And let's show you everything that is included. So first off, you are going to get a little user manual that will tell you how to operate it. But we're going to cover a lot of those features. You are going to get a remote control, so that way you can quickly access things like the LED lights and change all the various settings. Okay, real quick, the mode button cycles through the FM radio, Bluetooth, or the auxiliary cable. The RPT button will repeat the song. The EQ button will change through the multiple built-in equalizer modes. And then the SW button will change to short radio. The LED button in the middle will change the various LED effects. Then you are going to get a nice bass speaker here. This is going to be the main control unit. It is 7 inches tall by 3 inches deep by 3 1/4 inches wide. Now on the top here you have the control panel. On the control panel you have a USB plug in case you want to plug in music. You also have an SD card slot in case you have music loaded on an SD card. You have the mode button, which will allow you to change the modes. And then you have the quick access forward or reversed skip buttons, and then the pause and play button. On the side panel, you have basically the USBs for the 2 speakers. You're going to have the power button. You're going to have the LED power button in case you want to turn those off or have those on. You're going to have the volume button and then an adjustment dial for the bass. Now, you do have a power cord on the side, which is where you're going to plug it on, and then they have a auxiliary cable in case you want to plug it into a kind of stereo thing. My only complaint here is the auxiliary cable is attached. There is no way to remove this, which it is a Bluetooth speaker, so most of the days now you connect things via Bluetooth, but unfortunately that is a negative thing in my opinion, is the fact that this is already hardwired, so you have this wire just always hanging out. Now, you do have the 2 speakers themselves. So the speakers themselves are support up to 45 watt peak, and they are 4 ohm speakers. The speaker size is 7 inches tall, 3 inches deep, and 3 1/4 inches wide. And you are going to get 2 of those, which will plug in the main bass unit of the subwoofer. Now I do want to mention the subwoofer has 6 ohm sub. The LED lights has 6 different color lights, and you can set the mode to where it even basically has like an ambient light, or it interacts with the bass sound effects, which is really cool. And mentioned earlier, it is a Bluetooth speaker, so it uses the later Bluetooth technology, and you can pair it to things like your PC, your laptop, your phone, your basically tablet, anything that has a Bluetooth signal. So if you're wanting to like take your gaming up to the next level, this is a cool option for you. Okay, so let's quickly play you a sample of the sound. I know it's being recorded through my mic and played through your speakers, so it's not true sound test, if you will, but I want to kind of show you if you can pick up the different bass and sound effects. Okay guys, that is the ins and outs of this nice little speaker setup. If you really want to get that extra oomph at your computer or any of your Bluetooth devices, this may be an alternate option for you. If there was something that I did not cover, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. And that is it. So until the next video, you guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.